Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share these products with you today. And if you remember, we released cute little Kirsten, and Kirsten is absolutely adorable. Everybody has fallen. I've already had to reorder her because she's almost sold out at this 1 second. But now, guess what, my loves? It is time for Liam. So Liam is here, named after my family. My family's really excited about that sometimes. But look how cute they are. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so what does Liam come with? Liam comes with a lot. They had to put an extra package in here. So let's look at Liam really quick. There's more items I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Other brand new items. But Kirsten almost sold out really quickly, and I've already reordered, or if I have or not. But comes with a football. Managed to get a football in there, some extra eyes, and some clothing. Now, guess what, my friends? Yes, this clothing is just like our regular little peeps. These are our mini Slimline ones. But yes, the clothing is all interchangeable. Okay, so these cute little outfits here will definitely fit on Kirsten. Now, if you're saying, Stephanie, I love Kirsten and I love Liam, but I want more. Give me time, my loves. Give me time. They are on their way eventually, right? But there you go. Boy and girl now. Yay. I have lots of samples, but wait, there's more. You know, we have the football background already. And as soon as I released this one and the basketball one, everybody went, Stephanie, what about this? What about this? What about this? What about this? So hello, I needed them too because my boys do these sports. Baseball, spring training's coming up, and soccer. Very important. So we have baseball and soccer for your enjoyment. Now, there's one more sport coming, but this is what we have. So now we have football, baseball, and could be softball. Football, baseball, softball, basketball, soccer, and football. Did I see all? Okay, whatever. Okay, now you get it, right? Background eyes, I have lots of samples to show you. Now, remember when we came out with Slimline Winter? And I said, wait for it, because now we have spring. Spring has sprung. And let me just tell you, I am so excited about spring. So here is one spring. Look at that, so cute. Here is another spring. Here, look at this. These are so fun. Here's another spring. I just love how fun these big, large, and so much fun are. Look at that. Spring wishes. I love that. Ooh, or you could do a rainbow one. I love that. Isn't that cute with the cute little stems from this month? Here's another one adding a cute little butterfly set. A whole bunch of butterflies. So fun. Now let's look at some fun Liams. Are you ready? Get set. On a mini Slimline die, because technically that's the size he is. I love that. That's with the football background because he's got his football there. He's got our new grass behind him. So cute. And if you see something that's not out yet, wait for it. But this is actually the trucker hat. A lot of you already have the trucker hat. It was one of our club sets about a year ago. A lot of you already have the trucker hat. Imagine that. It works on the mini Slimline, guys. Oh, look at this one. MVP. Isn't he cute? Now, again, you are going to mix and match all the hair, all the clothing. You're going to make him look like whatever you want. So you get to decide, oh, what skin tone do you want? What color of hair do you want? What clothing do you want? So you're going to be able to mix and match all of those, which is so much fun because it makes, oh, there's our new grass. It makes it even more exciting. Oh, there's our soccer balls in the background. Soccer balls in the background. Ooh, who did this one? Yvette did this one. She even used an extra circle die to die cut a soccer ball from back here. I love it. Great idea. Great idea. Oh, here's another soccer ball. Soccer ball. I love it. Soccer background with nested stars. Here's another. With our new grass. Look at that awesome new grass that we have. Look at those soccer balls. Let's see. We are also, and also uses my MVP. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, thanks. With soccer balls in the background. Isn't that awesome? I love, perfect for the soccer coaches, right? Also, here's one. Any soccer player in your life, you could use that for happy birthday. Or here's a baseball one. I don't want to leave anybody out. Baseball with one of our Z-fold cards. Play ball. Isn't that cute? Play ball. And I love using our alphabet dies. Here's another one using alphabet dies. Goal. Look at that. Goal. And it's like, I love that because this is on a simple stand-up. Isn't that cute? Goal. Isn't that cute? I love that. So yes, don't forget your alphabet dies, you guys. Oh, how about this one? You're my MVP. Oh, trucker hat again. Trucker hat again. Trucker hat alert. Look at this one. Background a different color than the bottom. So fun. Now, this is also using the Little Peeps Miller stamps and dies, the original versions, to get those baseballs and that mitt. Here's another one with this is Little Peeps regular size Miller. He's got his little hat on. He's got his baseball bat and his mitt. Game on. Let's celebrate. Here's another cute spring with that beautiful flower. Now, here's a fun one that Michelle made. And what's funny is when I first got it, I'm going to show you. Hope we don't get censored for this. But he was in his underwear. And I'm like, Michelle, what? I was like, what? And then I realized on the back, she used our affirmation strips and stamps. You are smart, brave, handsome, kind, strong. Isn't that cute? But in this little pocket, look at this little cute thing. Imagine sending this to a little child in your life. Now, you could do this with Kirsten also. We could add different clothing. She used those Velcro dots that we're all in love with. If you don't have them, I have them on my Amazon link. Go under Stephanie's Favorites on our website. Do the pants first on this one. And look at this. She just made that underwear cutting up the pants. Look at that. Oh, you want to change your clothes? Go ahead. Look at this. Your little ones could even help you make these. Aren't those adorable? And then she's even created just a little pocket on the back for the extras. I love it. Go check it out, thisdancefullife.com. The first 24 hours, these items are on the website. They're on flash sale, and I don't want you to miss out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.